Are you sure you're getting the lowest cost per job? If you have a job with short runs of multiple SKUs, you want to minimise your production costs in terms of money, manpower, time and waste. With no cost for plates, just a single operator, minimal setup time and make ready between jobs, and virtually no waste, the Domino N610i inkjet label press is perfect for this type of work. We have a customer in the US who had one job that had 64 versions with only 1,000 to 2,000 labels of each version required. That meant 256 plates, and it took them 2 to 3 days to complete. Now they do the same job with the Domino N610i in just 2 to 3 hours. The Domino N610i inkjet label press is your solution. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our customers have to say.